Good day, traders from around the globe. Good day, everyone around the world. This morning, I don't know the time within your own jurisdiction or within your own location right now, but greetings to everyone. I think as at last week or thereabouts, I've been observing the chart for a while, and let me just draw the screen down so we don't waste much of our time here. I think around last week, this candle was around 22nd of June, and then I've been looking forward to this candle since ever last week. This particular candle here. That was my point of interest. I was looking towards that level for that was last week. Probably price began to create some kind of liquidity. All these levels were just liquidity turn points. This whole level here was just liquidity turn points there. And the market created this level here, made a pullback down here, and but went up to that level. When it reached that level, that became my point of interest. I was okay, what's really going to happen right now? I'm not telling you what I'm not doing. It's not just I did not just come up to the chat and start annotating nonsense or something. Um, so I will share to some of my friends. I was telling somebody was even telling me about the trade. I told the person that the market is going to gold is going to drop massively, massively. As at that, this was Monday. That's just today. I'm making this video is today's Wednesday, 8th of July. And then the market, on as at on Monday, I started telling even before Monday on Saturday, I was telling my friends to get prepared that the market is going to drop massively. On Monday, somebody chatted me up and was asking me. I told the person that gold is going to say it's going to sell gold. Later they cut out from gold. I told her that the gold is going to sell massively. Maybe I'm going to share the screenshot on my screen so you see it. I said gold is going to drop massively. Let's watch out because it's around the POI. And gold finally reached there. Look at this Monday candle, 6th, and today is 8th. Just 2 days away, 2 days back. Today is Wednesday, tomorrow will be Thursday. So this Monday, this Tuesday, this Wednesday candle right here. And the market entered into that level and created this spin top candle. We call this particular candle a spin top candle. If you do your candle study very properly, you understand what I'm saying. That's a spin top candle right there. This particular candle here is a spin top candle. And the market created that candle. And let's go to a lower time frame and you will understand what really happened there. But me, if I've seen this kind of market structure, I want to understand from price basis. I want to look at where price closed and let me wait for some kind of a retracement. You see this Wednesday, Tuesday candle did a retracement into that price level. The price close level, open and close level is around 417674, and that was where price retraced to before it sell. So it did a Judas swing before it started selling. Let me just show us. Let's go to a smaller time frame for a confirmation, something like the 1 hour. Once I'm done with my daily, I go to my 1 hour too. So this is my ultimate target right here. So I don't know, but that's the target I'm looking out for. So watch what happens here. I'm not just telling you what I don't do. So this is the last low right here. That's the last low right there. I was looking out for that low, whether it's going to be tapped or some kind of that's a put or MSS, anywhere you want to put it, anyhow you want to call it. Let me just make this one tick. Anyhow you want to call it, and this is the next level high. And then this level has already been just managed with me, please. I'm using my phone, I'm not using my system. So this level has been tapped. Let me just that level has been taken out. So as the level was taken out, then this level was haunted. As soon as that level was haunted, I began to look gracefully around this particular order block right here. So that was the zone. I missed that particular opportunity there, but this becomes the level where we begin to look for possible reactions from because there's no fair value, no much fair value gap. The fair value gap was created was not too much. Look at the fair value gap right here, it was not much. So I didn't pay much attention to it. I didn't pay much attention to it. That's the FVG right there. Let me just leave it white like that. So you see the market was reacting to it, but this was just all these reactions were liquidity. So I knew that this is going to be the major reaction point. So let me just change this color to maybe something like that. This color is no, no. All right, see this that level will be the next level and see what happened. That was the level price tapped into. He used this level as liquidity point, and then that was what he tapped into, and just a little drawdown into it. If you had entered from this point, the market will give you a little drawdown, and then this drawdown is just from here to here. Let me use my tool. The drawdown is just from here to here, and then it collapsed, went down. So the measurement is not much. So that was where I was looking out for, and the market did so down. So when it came down, it broke out from this level. Since I missed that one that Monday, I did not enter. I couldn't come up on chart, so I left that one. I was not focused on this low because this was the major low after that run up. This was the major low after, which was right. This was the major low after this run up that in that induced this level, this zone. So I knew that once this level is breached, once this particular level is breached, then we might want to wait for a retracement phase, which the market did. If you look forward, you see that the market did this retracement back and came into this FVG right here before the market sold down like this. So before the market sold down, let me just show us a bit of it. This was it. It's okay. This was the consolidation point, and then the market grabbed the liquidity down and took up the liquidity high and entered into this level, sold down, went up and came down massively. Getting a chance, don't mind me. This was the, let me just bring it up again. This was the consolidation period. The market was trapped in between this consolidation, manipulated down, went up into that point of interest, traded back down, traded up into this FVG right here, and then shut down. All this thing I'm telling you, I did enter it too. So, okay, let's look. One of the things I understand about the market system is you don't trade structure for structure's sake. You must build a narrative around it. You must understand the order flow of the market. Otherwise, you will end up hurting yourself or all of that. So the major thing is to understand the order flow of the markets. So I try as much as possible to make this very simple. So this is the next FVG I'm beginning to look out for because I don't want it higher than that. At least my stop loss just maybe one or two above. Since it's FVG, I want to deal with a 50% of that level, and then I'm targeting the ultimate low. And what happened from that level, the market tapped in and it started moving down, started going down, started going down, and up to now. So it's just a bit coming up again. So I'm still looking out that maybe probably we're looking down to get to this level, but entered into break even. I think I'm going to let me just show so we don't think I'm using my level, my this thing even good. That's good there. And let's go back. See, are you seeing it? Are you seeing it? So I'm not seeing what I don't do. So that's it. The market is really going down. I'm just interpreting what happened. So it was today's one I caught, which was today's one this morning. There are other vital liquidity things I look onto before I get into the market. But this was the level then before the market did shut down. So we are still waiting for more of the market, more of it to go down because this is the next level I'm targeting. Maybe just a bit, maybe just a bit correction up and we go down straight, or it will still do a bit of more correction before it go down. But anyways, this is what I'm looking for. Peace out. I just want to share this little idea with us and all that. I just want to share my screen. I've not started any official lesson lectures yet, but I'm planning on doing that soon enough, sooner, very soon, very soon, very soon. Thank you guys.